Hi guys, today we will discuss how to increase WP memory limit in Hostinger. The first thing is head over to the main site and log in your account. Once you do, you will see this kind of interface, and from here what you have to do. Simply click on this icon which is on the left top. Once you will click on it, you will be redirected to this page. After it, you will see 3 lines on the right top. Click on it and tap on the option Websites. Here you will get the websites which you have on your Hostinger in order to increase limit. Just select the website on which you want to increase limit. Once you see, click on the option Manage after it scroll down a bit, and you will be redirected to the dashboard of that website. Click on the option File Manager, and here you will see 2 icons. Click on the first one, Public, and here you have to find the option which is called wp-config.php. Once you see, do a click, and here you have the select option Edit. Once you can, select the option Edit. Scroll down all the way until you see the option of That's All. Stop editing, happy publishing. Now, what you have to do, simply tap above from here. And here you have to paste this. I will copy and paste this code in my description, so you just have to copy it from there and paste like me. Once you do, click on the save icon, which is on the right top, and now the WP memory has been increased, and that's it.